Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about unique in Excel. So we have a list over here, the list of employee IDs, and we are going to use the unique function and also inbuilt functionality of unique in Excel to get the list of unique IDs. So we are going to use two methods. So let's start with the first method. In the first method, as you can see in the list, there are duplicate IDs. For example, 1111 is repeated twice, 2222 is also repeated twice, and 5555 is also repeated twice. And I want a unique list of IDs. So what I can do is I can use the unique function. So it is equals to unique. You get this function unique, select the list, close bracket, hit enter. This way I get the list of unique IDs. So this is my list of unique IDs. So the first method was by using the function unique. Okay. Now let's move to the second method. In the second method, I'm going to use a inbuilt functionality of Excel. So to use that, go to the data tab. In data, go to advanced. Okay. Now, we have two options. The first option says filter the list in place. Okay. So that means wherever the list is, it will filter the list in the place where the list is. It will not move the list to a different location. So I'll select my range. Okay. And I say check unique records only. So okay. So this is the second method where I get the list of unique IDs without copying it to a different location and without using a formula. Now let's move it to a different location. So I'll say again go to data, go to advanced and copy to another location, and I'll select the list range. List is over here, and I'll copy to location C1, and I select unique records only. Click OK. Yeah. Now I get the list of unique records at using the inbuilt functionality of Excel. I hope you like this concept of unique in Excel by using the function and the inbuilt functionality. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my content, then please hit the like button. Bye bye and have a good day.